Welcome to ZTTFIBER channel. In this video, we are excited to introduce our metal V-glue series fast connector. Compared to traditional practice V-glue connector, this year offers greater stability and significantly enhanced durability, meeting the demand of high-quality connections. Here are the metals available in our metal V-glue series. LC fast connectors, available with 2.0 by 1.6 mm drop cables and 3.0 mm WAN cables. SC 900 micron fast connectors, designed for 0.9 mm cables. SC 1-tile fast connectors, available with 2.0 by 3.0 mm drop cable and 3.0 mm WAN cables. SC flat-tail fast connectors, equipped with cable current, available with 2.0 by 3.0 mm drop cables. These products are versatile and cater to a wide range of applications, providing you with more efficient and stable fiber optic connection solutions. Feel free to choose the product that best suits your network need. If you are interested in this product or have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us directly. I'd be happy to assist you.